It has opened up the areas, a general practice in the areas that we really sought to expand. The particular areas that LegalMatch provides us leads for referrals is in estates, probates, real estate, and those practice areas are areas that we felt like that we had the expertise, and two, the ability and infrastructure that we could expand that practice, and it's allowed us to do so. Has done is it has allowed us to focus on expanding those particular practice areas, and while some of our other practice areas have either been on hold or have slowed, and it's been a welcome addition to our business processes for identifying particular referrals and then cultivating those clients. The best thing is the concise explanation for the particular case, for the nature of the case, the extent of what the client is looking for, and it allows us to review, at least in a thumbnail at a potential referral stage, thumbnail about exactly what potential client is seeking, what that client's legal problem is. And then that gives us an ability to assess and very quickly whether or not it's something that we can help that potential client with. We normally get leads several times daily. It varies, but it is on a daily basis. At least 50% of those leads turn into actual paying clients. We don't use any other lead generating system. LegalMatch is the only one that we use based on our experience and word of mouth, and LegalMatch has been sole provider for our online legal referral generators. If you want to turn leads into paying clients, being diligent about responding to leads that you feel like would be a potential lead, a potential case in a particular practice area, that is what I would say. It's a matter of being diligent, reviewing the leads. The lead referral system and the response process is very easy, very user-friendly. But when that potential client posts a legal need, they have that on their mind. They are looking to see a response. And it's been my experience that by responding quickly, that's impressive to the client, and there's a likelihood that they'll hire you because of being diligent. I would recommend LegalMatch for a cost-benefit analysis. It certainly provides a great service for the cost and for what you have to pay. And so a young attorney that may not have extensive experience or extensive roots in the community can take a LegalMatch case and can utilize the system tools, the review, the analysis, and the synopsis of the case, and it can simplify the fact-finding process for that lawyer to assess whether or not it's a case they want to take, one, and then two, it gives them a client that they know is in need of some type of legal advice.